Hello everyone, welcome back. I'm going to show you how to easily put a logo right on your video, and you can cut it up, do whatever you want, and it'll always be there. Also a time code, which is built right in DaVinci, and you can also use it as a watermark. So if they accept your product, you can take the watermark off, render it out, and you're all set. Start up here at Workspace, put a data burn in. Here's the time code. There's a few options. I'm not going to go through all these. You can make it transparent. You have lots of options. Add a logo. Seems to always be down below the screen. Or you can do custom text. For those of you that don't know me, I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed. I can't use my hands and arms. You can use that as a logo. Or watermark. Turn the opacity down. All kinds of options here. I thought it might help you guys out. You can also set a preset. These three little dots. Right here. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.